See, what I call boy channel do a friend of fancy YouTube. Uber can add up paddy body or whatever. Why don't all shatter? Yes. Every day your Ghana month, the Ibibuso Fred Heritage Month. Na every baby I be feed puado that ye jado. If this be the way they dress, yeah, far for he had a head. See, it would be their houses be brubia fana feza or they represent Ghana battered, but he had heritage in it. Mpanofian, oh yeah, you pay bare chested nazini this boy. It's and as a lot of media houses are over Ghana. I call it a competition. Obiala chemis mo butuma fano ho Ghana fezina aze. Inti my compilation. UTV means my worry for one. TV3 means my worry for one. Onia TV means my worry for one. Adom TV means my worry for one. Inti me you want boko true na ya share pictures been as
DJ Paco Rich.
I see. What I call a boy channel do a friend of fancy YouTube. Uber can add up paddy body or whatever. Why don't all shatter? Yes. Every day your Ghana month, the Ibibuso Fred Heritage Month. Na every baby I be feed puado that ye jado. If this be the way they dress, yeah, far for he had a head. See, it would be their houses be brubia fana feza. Or they represent Ghana battered, but he had heritage in it. Mpanofian, oh yeah, you pay bare chested nazini this boy. It's and as a lot of media houses are over Ghana. I call it a competition. Obiala chemis mo butuma fano ho Ghana fezina aze. Inti my compilation. UTV means my worry for one. TV3 means my worry for one. Onia TV means my worry for one. Adom TV means my worry for one. Inti me you want boko true na ya share pictures been aze. Inti emi afire for any everybody no ni. Other mazacho inti. If you a big shout out to Onyan coupon. Inti first of all, oh you good today you be promoting your years your coach ya be shagan and tar. I mean you started the shagan and tarin. One screen do I fair. Or very colorful. One case would you try pictures and I will post that. Now we was some in a moko page bia TV stations, major TV stations now all Ghana. Will be a post pictures of Negan and Tara was a GTV phone cutting in a GBCD. Moko website me Facebook page me pictures bia in some source your Facebook pages. Into you start with UTV. UTV me who wore costume be an a nice pa oni bosha or yen crown for la you know nature cause I dress the within northern side of Ghana. You are beautiful dress I will exhibit or ye African costume no nice na in crown forward the name of the materials and no into what from one a cheddar wapa crada white be no be up maybe ija when yenya habani bi was go kumala na chere na yan nti you see for UTV was the name of the UTV na nkasa sabi one na nkasa why mass TV nti obenim cross sama UTV nza do waba mafia nti UTV currently heritage Ghana na say asem cross sama nkofuni do screen no no fake oma ye Ghana ya omo ya economy smart wo bodam na aze wodon oye nice inti eye oye UTV what pictures na maza brown but if you are or they assign ko another channel local channel on so oye guy inti if you wanna na ye call Onia TV enyim do ye media general war local arm chere media general TV3 for war local army you wanna so Captain Smart na ne crew no I say fugu na azana wan fan chawan and Naija in Bisiambana so address the northern side of Ghana fun or a fake afazana a fake or a fake Captain Smart miss my nas na sade Bisiana betiri window or a fake I want the person kasa not the one. On your TV, also about woman, and I mean UTV few one Emmy, which you see on your TV as you know, second. Yes. Na picture cry me fell pa manka sama paddy. No when I'm kitten wafana Nathaniel. Yes, Legendo Sports. I'm padding in. Not topping on your Captain Smart. What but damn into on your TV so was Mihuina Brown. It's quite nice or a very sexy. Wama Ghana yen tarina yeshano one but akono. Yes, young call TV3. No, I think yeah your local station is I think Adom TV. Near Bassani Boko. And that mama catch on it. I'm picture seeing I'm for Facebook pages and when we post. Adom wasn't in your studio but or a photo shooter where you may a shadow as Samuel McCarthy or yeah the major man. Yes. Adom so was in a presenter. What did them I can't style way to tuna tamana and when Zibisu did it, then it's aze nefel. And I'm catch then can you dress it a man can you wear by hours on your difficult. I don't know your tam a madronana cherry bibiara recordo. It is beautiful. Where I shall not me problem in the me cry me your mat chest I met AC me. I wore a zaman on your easy until I'm dressing in. What it's in a cinema will to me controller. Oh, fair, beautiful, you know, Ghanaian costume. Them system check and a pull zipping. Yes, I think Pishano or Dr. Pounds in a wedding also keep because also now pheasant or a nice pine. So honest woman and one about for oh yeah at Dome TV. Why as a papa? Now one woman be so me a shot on our friend of Fire Lady. Name you look you familiar. Me a shot or your nan on so. Wash it, not tam a wapam and a kappa kama. Now, or should minimum so a cabo so a top and a down bet attorney yes. But our backcards be a pedant obey with TV don't kawabu a tembinidia. Nature day and kofo what's tamana chan and kofa bonizin today be a secretary down no ma and I know one carofan didn't see a year at Dome TV multimedia. Oh, multimedia or cover picture or your sports presenter be Manfan Chawan. Yes, on a pheasant. No, a nice paoni. Very colorful represents Ghana. Me, I show the Black Stars next time. Oko baby or the wash the matter or a nice pa or you could see me in capito. Me, I show the Nizana, me shut a Yingy. Into if you are a year about oh yeah, TV3. Yes, TV3 so in Jawan pa media general, even though they were an English station, but were exhibit Ghana culture very well. Inti oye war idol or oye Bellamundi nanala, and with them damamant yebra besia na kukuna zenya fen unto me nyebi atasa, and with oye natural skin pounds be bring you do. Or a fe Bellamundi no we na we makakran about she rule and waka so or the if kakradze go no come na or dan cran for or white and all that shit anything. You know, our friend Cocotina na minimum so but our sports presenter on the way to Tonetam can take me my way for tamana in here come shame or catch the tamana with the friend and now yeah Giovanni, a concert man on ages upon a idol bolobo fee being a wish. Oh, bolobo, you're on the size. Yes, Jim and the CC body and Giovanni and a body. I say, cry no. It's TV3, so I say, once was show, what costuming or kama. Na, you require yan share or your Joy Prime, say multimedia from one so also me have 2 pictures view and also encouraging pa with a beautiful in the morning prime in the morning actually Rabbi Washe netama what's the ya I go the Google and send a bit session it's oya konopa so we to tamada about him very beautiful inti Ghana culture na year 20th denizin CCTV bia boso bia na actually Ghana culture no wodo Joy Prime and I'm just showing a bit GTV is a McCain. I think I've seen them on their screen that was she be bet one update your Facebook page into Muntu and Kawasam. But many know me plus FM for what TV station. J follow no man and carofon on it still. Dochina Gabana na washe. J following an area no man heritage you know no want some more kodo. one wash akata onyime huhu wo level na wo ye nti 3 music for na den on it on akata samana ombo watch rulers na da me ya level na chirija or recordo nti watch the heritage on phone way urban lifestyle nti this is the whole list. Ghana stations are way too why exhibit or your Ghana mountain, heritage mountain, wash Ghana in term or your fair. You must my Ghana a feze on your chroma fairfa into my body in order done. Come. Oh my channel. Yes, my name is DJ Parker Rich. Hi, a fancy YouTube, but more than subscribe to channel and name vibe behind your corny streets. Your customer feel now say Fantanana is a record. Very soon, you best step out here. More documentary about things about Ghana. Now, entertainment news be also about happy as bro. Mark one from Paco to the Rich. Subscribe to channel and vibe more. Bye bye.
DJ Paco Rich.